Ever felt stuck ordering coffee in English or that awkward pause at the grocery store? Today, we're breaking down how to actually use English in your daily life without freezing up.
I've seen so many people go blank when they need to speak up. We're going to share tips, tricks, and simple conversation starters to make those moments easier.
You'll learn how to navigate everyday interactions, from asking for directions to chatting with neighbors, and gain confidence along the way.
We'll cover practical phrases, listening strategies, a few common mistakes, and real examples from daily situations. So, stick around if you want smoother conversations.
Ordering food is one of those daily things that really tests your English, right? Even a simple coffee order can trip you up.
Especially when the barista starts asking extra questions, like room for cream, or tall or grande. Suddenly, it's not so simple anymore.
One trick is to prep a basic phrase. Could I have a medium latte, please? And if you're unsure, ask, what does that mean? It's totally normal.
I like practicing at home just saying my order out loud. That way, I'm less nervous when it's time to speak. Plus, people appreciate a polite please or thank you.
Navigating a new city can be nerve-wracking, and asking for directions in English adds another layer of stress. But honestly, most people are happy to help.
The fear of misunderstanding is real, but a simple question like, "Excuse me, how do I get to Main Street?" works wonders. It's direct but friendly.
And if you don't catch the answer, just say, "Can you repeat that, please?" Or, "Could you show me on the map?" People usually respond kindly.
Funny you mention maps sometimes. Gestures and pointing help more than words. Combining both makes communication smoother, even if your English isn't perfect.
Small talk is everywhere. Elevators, mailrooms, even waiting for the bus. It's the foundation of building relationships in English-speaking places.
The classic opener is something like, "Nice weather today, isn't it?" Or, "How's your day going?" These simple questions invite friendly responses.
And if someone asks about your weekend, you can respond with, "I went hiking," or add a detail, "I tried a new cafe." Sharing a little personal info makes the interaction warmer.
I've noticed that even short chats can lead to bigger conversations later. The more you practice small talk, the easier it gets to connect and feel at home.
No matter how much you prepare, mistakes are going to happen. Maybe you use the wrong word or mispronounce something that's normal.
What matters is how you handle it. If you get stuck, say, "Sorry, I'm learning English." Most people will slow down or help clarify. Nobody expects perfection.
Actually, making mistakes is how you improve. Each error teaches you something new, and it's okay to laugh at yourself once in a while.
I still mess up sometimes, but those moments usually lead to memorable interactions. Being honest about your limitations builds trust, too.
Listening is half the battle, especially when people speak fast or use slang. Sometimes you miss a word and feel lost.
I've found that focusing on key words rather than every single one helps a lot. For example, listen for the main topic or action, then fill in the blanks.
And it's totally fine to ask, "Could you say that again slower?" Or, "What does that mean?" People appreciate your effort to understand.
Over time, your ear gets used to different accents and ways of speaking. It's like building a muscle. Practice makes you stronger.
Let's wrap up. First takeaway: practicing simple phrases builds confidence for daily interactions. Second, mistakes are valuable learning moments. Third, listening actively makes conversations smoother.
And here's one thing you can do right now. Choose one everyday situation, like ordering food, and practice your English for it this week. You'll be surprised how quickly you improve.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope these tips make your daily English feel easier and more natural.
Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember every conversation is a step forward. Catch you next time.